Hi, this is my review of the J-Sing Invisible Waterproofing Agent. It comes in this clear white liquid. If you are having leaks around your kitchen plumbing or in your basement, you can apply this invisible waterproofing agent and it will actively go to work. When it dries, it is clear and invisible. You won't even see that it was applied. So it dries clear. So if it can a multi-function. It can be used on your concrete, bricks, PC piping, whatever. If you're having a small crack or a leak, this stuff goes to work and does what it says it does. Overall, I've been very happy with this invisible waterproofing agent. Thank you. Give it a try.